Okay, we are about the 10th of January. Hello. And Xana's now 10 months old and we've just bought her this thing. Do you want to show them how it works? She's got a piano over there which we haven't put batteries in yet. She's got a fish. There's so much to do. She's still exploring. She's only been in for a couple of minutes. Yeah, you show Granny and Grandpa how you move. Look at that. Look at that. Come on in. That rotates around. Very good, isn't it? Bye! I think she wants the camera. Is the camera more exciting than your new toy? And she's got the snack tray there. See the snack tray? And fish and dolphins and things that make noises. She's in a rather daggy suit. It was a hot night, wasn't it? It was a hot night. Bye bye.